Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. Today's recipe is a well-loved recipe from Grandma who calls this chicken meatballs with potatoes. And this recipe never fails to please all her grandchildren and when it's lovingly prepared and served. Grandma has been cooking this dish since the grandchildren were little, and my 23-year-old nephew recently complimented this dish as his all-time favorite. He can never get bored with this dish. The secret behind this simple recipe is to marinate the minced chicken meat for at least 2 hours. That way the meat is fully marinated and is tastier. If you can plan it better, I suggest marinating the meat overnight and then preparing this dish the next day. Some days when I buy minced meat, I will straight away marinate the meat and keep it frozen. When I want to prepare this, then I will thaw this already marinated meat and I'll find that this way is the best. Once you heat up the wok or pan, oil the pan or wok a little. Then I roll the minced meat into balls and place them gently in a row. The wok is heated on medium heat so that you have time to roll up the meatballs. This time, as I only have half the wok filled with meat, I place the potatoes on the other side of the wok. Now both the meat and potatoes can be browned in little oil first. If you make more, you can brown the meat first and then dish it out, subsequently brown the potatoes. Use either a spoon or chopsticks to flip the meat gently. Each side will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Try to achieve a brown tinge on both sides. Do the same for the potatoes and try to sear these well. I put 4 to 5 teaspoons of fragrant garlic oil on the seared meat. Now for the sauce, I put 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown cooking soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, a dash of pepper and salt, half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of rice wine, and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. This creates a sweet and salty flavor that is surely appetizing. The 3 sauces that I use often are the Lee Kum Kee brown cooking soya sauce, the Lee Kum Kee Kum Chun naturally brewed soya sauce, and the Red Plum brand Chinese cooking wine. Note that the Kum Chun brand soya sauce is made from soya beans and wheat flour, brewed according to traditional and natural methods. This sauce is used for marinating, cooking, and dipping. One can also use gluten-free alternatives for this recipe. Shaoxing wine can also be used for this recipe. Use whatever you have, the wine is optional. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes to thicken the sauce. It's simple but really flavorful. Go ahead and serve this with a plate of warm rice and don't forget to make enough for the lunchbox for tomorrow. Thank you for watching and I hope you will try this recipe and don't forget to let me know if you try this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to encourage me to create more similar content. Thank you again for your subscription and I truly appreciate it. Enjoy your day and share so others can find great recipes. Have a good day.